Hello everyone, this is Max from Waking Up at 40 and I've decided to show you how easy it is to make mayonnaise at home. This is not my recipe at all. This is from a creator of Downstairs Shiftology. So go check out her channel, she is amazing. I've made some changes to it because I just like a different mustard than she does and I like a little bit less oil in my mayonnaise. But for the rest it is 100% her recipe. But I wanted to show you that it takes 1 minute to make mayonnaise at home. So first what you're going to do is you're just going to add an egg at the bottom of your little bowl. Then I like a little bit less oil than she suggests, so I just add about just under a cup of any kind of oil that you like. I just have olive oil here today, so I'm going to use olive oil. Okay, so as you can see, this is just under a cup. It's not completely filled, otherwise it's quite an oily taste that I don't like as much. I've tried to get a lighter olive oil and I couldn't, so this is a full-bodied extra virgin olive oil, but it still works. Then this is about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then I'm going to add, oh I see this one's not open yet, so I'm just going to have to open it completely. Okay. Hold on, let me just get my other white wine vinegar because I'm not actually 100% sure how you open it. Okay, I'm back, sorry. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of white wine vinegar and then just over a tablespoon of mustard. So I like the grainy mustard. It's suggested in those recipes to do a Dijon. This is a Dijon kind of vibe, but it is a grainy, seedy mustard that I adore. So I use this wherever I can, and I also add a little bit more because I like that tangy taste of the mustard of a mayonnaise as opposed to an oily one. It doesn't get any sugar, but it gets about a pinch of salt. And then you just take your stick blender, you throw it in there, and you just start blending. And it's literally as easy as that. And we're done. And I said a minute, this probably was about 2 minutes. And you've got homemade mayonnaise without all the added sugars and all the preservatives. And you can change it according to taste. You can add some herbs in here, some more salt, some pepper, and just season it according to your taste.